Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I'm showing you something that just excites me even more each and every day about vapor honing. I removed some nozzles, some spray nozzles from a roofing spray rig that I have here on the property, and what we have here are some brass pieces with threads and some really fine detail. Obviously, these parts are from the summer before, and they actually have the material caked on them. I mean, this stuff is on here really well. So we wanted to get ready for the summertime again, and we wanted to clean these parts. Now, if you had this, how would you normally clean this? Let me guess, by hand. Scrubbing, picking, scraping. That stuff just doesn't work. And I mean, you can see why this is such a favorable process for so many different things in the world. And this really shows you how easily this was. I mean, this was quick, this was easy. I knew the whole summer when this thing was getting gummed up and dirty that we could clean it at the end of the season, no problem. So this is good for, paint applications or any applications where you're using some coatings, not polyureas or anything like that that's really tough and really aggressive to remove. But something that could be scraped and picked by hand, you can probably remove this with the vapor honing system. And again, it's environmentally friendly, it's clean, it's quick, it's so much easier, and you're gonna get a really good result. And that means if you're cleaning your equipment, that means your equipment's gonna last longer and it's gonna perform better. So if you have questions on the application that you may have, please give the sales team a call. They're here and happy to help you with whatever that might be. If you like what you saw today, subscribe to the YouTube channel, post some comments in the video below here, and also follow us on Instagram and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.